Welcome to the pH test between tap water, Samsung's refrigerator's filter, Wamery Alkaline filter, or Samsung refrigerator, and we have a bonus for you. Stay until the end. Starting with tap water. Using the paper strips, we got about 7.5. pH meter, 7.59. Drops, about 7.5. Continuing with the Samsung filter, pH meter, 7.48. Strip, about 7.5. Drops, about 7.5. Finally, we test the new Wamery filter. We unscrew and remove the Samsung filter, replacing it by the Wamery Alkaline, lock it, and drain the previous water it is inside the fridge. Here it is. I insert the strip and let it dry. pH meter, 9.72. Strip, over 9. Drops, about 9.5. And the bonus, let's test Essentia bottled water that claims to be pH 9.5 plus. pH meter, about 7.38. Strip, about 7.25. Drops, about 7. Conclusion: Wamery filter is a certified, convenient, and sustainable way to get alkaline water. Not even mentioning, now I have alkaline water ice cubes too.